Okay, so my very first tip, the shift key for tangent line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a circle here real quick. And then I wanna create a line that is tangent to this circle. And you'll notice as I get my cursor near the edge, you see that little X, but if I go ahead and click and move, you'll notice that that line is not tangent. Now I could place the line and then do a tangent constraint, but here's my first tip. If you hold down the shift key while you're clicking on that circle, you'll notice that now when I move my cursor, it's automatically creating a tangent line on that circle. In fact, if I let go, you can see the tangent constraint was created automatically. So you can create some pretty cool shapes here pretty easily. So just hold down the shift key, I'll go ahead and drag, and I was able to create those tangent lines.